In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for ChatGPT using your Google account. To get started, open the ChatGPT website in your browser or launch the ChatGPT app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're using the official site or app so the sign up process goes smoothly and securely. Once it loads, look for the sign up option and click or tap on it to begin creating your account. On the next screen, you'll see different ways to register. Choose the option that says Continue with Google. This is one of the fastest methods because it lets you use an existing Google account instead of creating a completely new login from scratch. After selecting that option, a Google sign-in window will appear. Now, choose the Gmail account you want to use for ChatGPT. If you're already signed into Google on your device, you may see a list of available accounts. Just select the one you want linked to your new ChatGPT account. If the account you want isn't shown right away, you may need to sign into it first before continuing. In some cases, Google will ask you to allow login permissions. If that happens, review the prompt and continue to approve access so the sign-in can move forward. This step is normal and helps connect your Google account to ChatGPT safely. After that, you may be asked to complete a verification step. This can vary depending on your device, location, or account settings. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Verification is there to confirm that you're a real user and to help protect your account. Once verification is complete, ChatGPT may ask for a few basic profile details, such as your name or other simple account setup information. Fill in anything required to finish creating the account. Be sure to enter the details you want associated with your profile, especially if you plan to use ChatGPT regularly across multiple devices. When everything is complete, your account will be created and you'll be taken into ChatGPT. At that point, you can start using it right away. You can type a question, ask for help with writing, brainstorming, studying, coding, or anything else you want assistance with. That's all it takes to sign up for ChatGPT with Google. If you follow these steps in order, the process is usually quick and straightforward, and you'll be ready to start using your new account in just a few minutes.